Awesome. You guys can hear me okay, right? Everybody can hear me good? Okay, perfect. Somebody said they couldn't hear. I just wanted to make sure. Welcome, everybody. Let me share my screen and we're going to get rocking and rolling. Now, here's a few things I'm going to recommend for you today. So you really grab a hold and understand what we're talking about today. You are going to want to get rid of distractions. Okay, because if you have distractions going on, you're not going to grab a hold of everything I'm going to be sharing with you, because I am going to break down the 5 steps to a profitable brand. It is a formula to help you earn daily pay and build a 7-figure business online. To build that 7-figure brand, you're literally going to get the 5 steps in great detail today. And so I'm excited to share that with you. I would grab a pen and paper. You're going to want to take some notes. And I want you to screenshot this, because there will be testimonials in here of what they were able to achieve by following this formula. Okay, this is not no guarantees that you're going to make any type of income, because I don't know how coachable or consistent you are. This is definitely for education, informational purposes. What you decide to do with this information today is 100% up to you. All I know is it works for the people that are willing to implement it and plug into it. So you are here because you are ready to learn how you can grow a brand and make passive daily pay income online, but you just don't know where to start. So we're going to cover today the 5-step profitable brand formula for daily pay. You can build a brand, but there's a difference of building a brand to building a profitable brand. I have watched people for years build a brand, but they spent so much money to build a brand. Today, you're going to learn how to build a brand with no monthly expenses. No monthly expenses for the machine, the automated system that you need, and no monthly expenses for marketing. Okay, check this out. Cecilia, that you're going to actually hear from today, you guys, she said that in 12 days into the month, she's already made $5,500 in the bank. You guys, she says 18 months ago, she goes, I was a mom crying in the shower, worrying about how I was going to cover my bills. Now her days are filled with her days back then were filled with being overexhausted. And now she sits here at 5,500 already in 12 days. And she has the extra money to do the things that she loves. You're going to hear from her story today and what really changed for her to build a wildly successful brand. She's actually a self-made millionaire in South Africa. And so you're going to learn how she did that today. But I want to share with you, who am I, right? Who are you listening to right now? In 2022, I could relate 100% to what Cecilia just said. I was struggling. I didn't want to bother friends and family, or I didn't want to DM people to build a business. I didn't want to depend on people I knew to make money. I was struggling. I had no following. I had no email list. And I applied these steps and I made 6 figures in 6 months. And in 17 months, I built $1 million brand while I spent more time with my family making memories. Now we literally live life on our terms. I was able to learn how to build a brand and design my life. And that's what I'm going to help you do today. Build, design the life, be able to get out of debt, get that financial pressure off, and then design your life. So let's dive into the 5 steps. Step 1, write this down. What do you want to give away for free? And what are you going to sell? Now, what I learned is when you want to build your brand, it's got to be about what is something you want to be known for. Okay, so write that down. When you first step of building your brand, what are you going to give away for free? And what is something you want to be known for? I wanted to be known for helping families be able to launch an online business and be able to just get that financial pressure off. But I wanted to help families be able to do that with less time and no grind. That's what I want to be known for, right? So what I give away for free is this: how they can get their PDF to learn how to make 10K in 30 days. It's a complete guide that they get for free. So when you are wanting to build your brand, what is something that you can give away for free that will also piggyback off of what do you want to be known for? Matter of fact, I would love to, if you guys in the chat could share, what do you want to be known for? When you think of making money from home, what would you love to be known for? Like maybe you want to sell a lip gloss. You want to be known for the gal that helps mamas have sexy lips, right? Like put in the chat. I would love to know when you think of building a brand, what would you like to be known for? right? Yes, impacting lives. I love that. So this is something you want to be known for that will help you build your brand, right? So whatever you're typing in, that's what I want you to, yes. Ooh, my music. I love that, my friend. Thank you for sharing that. Yes. Ooh, how I lost weight. Yes. So good. So good. Oh, to help people retire early. Yes. Financial freedom, how to help people stop struggling. So this is the things that you want to be known for. You think about that when building a brand. Now, step two, now that you know what you want to be known for and what you want to give away for free. Like, for example, somebody said their weight loss, right? And their journey. So what you would give away for free is literally, you would give away free PDF, and you would literally give away, here is the 3 most important things I did to go from weighing X amount to X amount. I'm giving it to you for free. So that's what you would give away. That's what starts that journey. Okay. So step two, so who is your ideal customer? So now that you know what you want to give away for free, who would want to buy that? Who would be interested in that? So who is your ideal customer? Needs to write that down, right? So you need to know who you're selling to. Now, many of you might be going, I mean, but isn't everybody my customer? No. Everybody might be able to buy what you are selling, but not everybody is your customer. You can't have the same message to a 22-year-old guy that just wants to party and have fun that's not the same message to a 22-year-old guy, the same message to a 55-year-old happily married couple that want to retire early, right? It's two totally different messages. Or a single mom of 3 kids that can't hardly afford an extra loaf of bread after she pays all of her bills, right? It's 3 different stories. This is why it is so important to know exactly who you're selling to. And you know what else? Oh my gosh, this is what makes it so fun to grow a business and so fun to grow a brand, because you literally just get to go create content every single day for that person you would love to impact their life. This is what makes it so fun. This is why I see so many people struggling when building and launching and growing a business, because they really don't understand who the perfect customer is. So when they go to try to market their business, they have no idea where to go because they're not focusing on their customer. And this is what literally right here is literally what turned my business completely around. So step 3, getting your business discovered. Now, step 1, now that we know what you want to give away for free, step 2, who your perfect customer is. Now, how are we going to get your business discovered? Okay, this is where it gets fun. I want you to imagine never having to find a customer. So when I've always, my goal, I'm a mom of 6 kids, by the way, and there is, only have 2 left at home, but now I'm a grandma to 5. But ever since I've been a mom, time is the most important thing to me. So I've done everything I could to be able to make an income around them. The last thing I was working on for over a decade was network marketing, but I had to find the customers. I had to make a list. Matter of fact, if you've ever done network marketing before and you've ever had to make a list, put yes in the comments. I want to know if I'm alone in that. I had to make a list. Look at all the yeses. Yes, we had to make a list, right? And then we had to reach out to them through direct message, or we had to reach out to them through phone calls or text messages, or we had to friend request people on social media and find people. Imagine never having to do that. Imagine using the online world as your window of unlimited customers. When I discovered this, that I didn't have to worry about me finding somebody, that I could use the world to attract people, it changed everything. I want to give you this stat. The average person spends about 2 hours and 24 minutes per day on social media. That averages 51 weeks of continuous scrolling in a year. The average person spends 51 weeks a year scrolling on social media. So don't you think it is a great place to start finding your customers on social media, but not you finding them, you attracting them on social media. There are 5 billion people on social media. Imagine if you knew how to attract them to you, so you didn't have to make that list. You didn't have to bother friends and family. Many people are like, but I don't want to create videos. I want you to check out Wendy. You guys, she purchased a blueprint. She plugged into the faceless training, and boom, she's already making money. Yes, you can build it faceless if you want as well. There's also another strategy that I want to give you an example. Many of you might be able to know Craigslist, right? That's a classified ads website. Now, I'm not recommending Craigslist because Craigslist costs money to market there. There is free classified websites that you can use to attract your customer to you. And oh my gosh, I found 10 that I really, really loved. And I focused my ads towards moms. Now I have to share this strategy with you because when I posted free ads, I would spend 30 minutes a day copying, pasting, and posting free ads is all I did, 30 minutes a day. And I did put a video inside of it because YouTube is the #2 search engine and people like watching videos. I put a YouTube video inside of it. You guys, this free ad strategy that I'm sharing with you right now, it grew my following, it grew my income, but it also grew my YouTube channel. And because of this strategy is now why I monetized on YouTube. And I want you to think about that because I was able to monetize my social media, make an additional income stream by doing this one strategy. So here's what I love when you're building a brand, it's going to add more income streams than just one or two, okay? That's what's really exciting. So what's step 4? Create a system that converts. What this means is you have to have a system out there that does the work for you and that you know it actually works and converts. We have, and I recommend the Freedom Machine because it consistently brings in customers. So when you trade in you doing the work, which is what I call trading in time for dollars, which means when I was in network marketing, if I wanted to get a customer, I had to get on the phone with them or I had to DM back and forth. If I wasn't doing one of those activities, I was not making money. I traded in doing that for a Freedom Machine, okay? And it's having your business on autopilot. It's a fully automated sales process. So remember at the very beginning of this, I shared with you step 1, give something away for free. This is the first step of your Freedom Machine, your automated system. The reason why I call it your Freedom Machine, because it's freely working for you 24/7. So when you're doing the things that you love, you still have a business out there on autopilot working for you, right? That's the freedom. That's what I've always dreamed of as a mom. So this is the first step. This is the only thing I market, by the way. So somebody puts their email in, they're immediately taken to this page, which is a thank you page, right? And they're also given this in their email. Now, I want you to think about this right now, because right now, while you and I are hanging out, there's people going through my system. Now, on average, from the people I mentor, the community I work with, on average, when 20 people put their email in, 1 out of 20 are buying. So soon, when you have a system that you know converts, a proven system, soon you will know your numbers, your data. You know what that means, right? When you understand how many people put in their email in and how many are buying, that means you have a predictable income stream because you know how many people you need that need to discover you using social media or discover you using free ads and put their email in. And then you know how many is going to buy. Now, you ready for this? This system you're looking at, these 3 pages are free. I can show you how to get access to these pages for free and no monthly expenses to run this system. So you literally can build a 7-figure brand with literally no monthly expenses for your system and no monthly expenses for the marketing, which is awesome. That's one of my favorite parts. Now, I shared with you the people that I mentor, on average, 1 out of 20 are buying. So with that being said, their #1 selling product is a $900 product. So easy math here. With that, that means if 20 people a day put their email in between this page and this page, 1 out of 20 are buying, which is $900 a day. You guys realize $900 a day is $328,000 a year. So this is Freedom Machine. This is automations. Look, she goes $900 while watching a movie. So she was doing the things she loved with her family or with herself watching a movie, and she made a sale because of her automated system. So I want you to screenshot this because